Want to build apps faster with AI? You got two completely different tools competing for your attention: Dreamflow and Cursor. But here's the thing, they solve totally different problems. Choosing the wrong one could waste weeks of your time. Let's break down which one you actually need. So Dreamflow is an AI-powered app builder from the Flutterflow team that generates complete Flutter applications from natural language prompts, delivering real, editable code built on Flutter's framework. Cursor is an AI-powered code editor that helps developers work more efficiently by providing intelligent code predictions and natural language-driven editing with features like code-based understanding and multi-line edit suggestions. One builds entire apps from scratch, the other makes you a better coder. Dreamflow takes your ideas written in plain English and transforms them into working code, with the entire process from prompt to prototype taking less than 5 minutes. You can quickly build your first app from a description and then take it to Flutterflow, where you can make specific edits if required, with seamless transfer between these complementary tools. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the reality. Dreamflow shows promise in AI-powered app development, but its current limitations make it more suitable for rapid prototyping rather than building fully functional production-ready apps. Cursor's autocomplete is impressively advanced, suggesting multiple lines of code and drawing context from your entire project to make accurate predictions. It can even anticipate your next editing move and proactively catch and fix errors as you code. In real-world experience, Cursor actually understands your project. It gets your coding style, knows your project structure, and even picks up on your team's best practices. Cursor doesn't just write codes for files, it also creates them with a single click and make working with the console easy by executing commands automatically. This is professional grade development acceleration. Here's where it matters most. Dreamflow can produce a working prototype from just your description, but when you go beyond basics like integrating complex APIs, fine-tuning backend logic, or debugging, you'll still benefit from developer expertise. Meanwhile, Cursor is called state-of-the-art for coding with dramatically advanced capabilities for complex changes across multiple files and understanding long-form content. Dreamflow offers a free plan for basic experimentation with paid plans for unlimited private projects and priority access to premium models. Cursor switched to usage-based pricing, and while it offers a smooth experience, testing showed you can often save money by picking tools tailored to your specific needs. Dreamflow is cheaper for simple apps. Cursor is the investment for serious developers. The final verdict: choose Dreamflow if you need to quickly prototype and go to market with minimum viable products, with less investment in development, especially with limited resources. Pick Cursor if you're a professional developer who needs code-based awareness, intelligent autocomplete, and natural language editing for updating entire classes or functions across complex projects. They're not competitors, they're tools for completely different stages of development. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.